Need an older version of Davinci Resolve because your computer just won't run the new one? Trust me, I have been there. Let me show you exactly where Blackmagic hides all their legacy installers. Subscribe for more tech tips and let us jump right in. Open your web browser and go to the official Blackmagic Design support page. The link in the description or type the above URL. Scroll down the page until you see the latest download section. This is where the magic happens. Here is the trick that most people miss. Do not just grab the big download button at the top. Keep scrolling down through the list. Blackmagic keeps installers going all the way back to version 10.1.5, which is about 10 years old. Look for the version you need. For example, version 18 is listed right there from March 2022. Version 15.3 is also available. Make sure you click the correct version. Avoid anything that says Studio unless you have a paid license key. The free version is simply called Davinci Resolve without the Studio label. Click the download button for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. The page may ask you to fill in your name and email. Go ahead and complete that. Wait for the download to finish. These files are large, usually between 2 to 4 gigabytes depending on the version. Once downloaded, open the installer file. If it is a zip file, extract it first using WinRAR or 7-zip. Then double-click the setup file to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, check all the extra tools like the Fairlight audio panel and Fusion effects. This gives you the full experience. Complete the installation and launch Davinci Resolve. That is it. You are now running an older version that plays nice with your computer. And that is all there is to it. Blackmagic is one of the few companies that actually keeps their legacy software available, which is pretty awesome. If this helped you out, tap the subscribe button before you go. Also, comment version below with which old version you downloaded. I am curious. Next video, I will show you how to optimize that older version for smooth playback on low-end hardware.
See you in that one.